Boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be installing new headers on Haydens 8.6. Alright, so here it is, the new TOMEI headers. Look at that. Brand new, fresh, must be nice. Oh, it's fucking pretty heavy, man. Alright, so yep, Haydens car's on a jacks. So basically what you gotta do is take out that big metal plate right there. After you take that off, you can get access to the headers and the bolts. Alright guys, so we're under the car right now. This is how the stock headers look. Look how big it is. Fuck. It's fucking big ass, look. Shit. Alright guys, so I'm assuming the bolts are around here. So one there, one there. There, and I think there's a few more, but I'm not too sure if that's the exact one. So we're gonna look into it and then we're gonna take out the stock headers. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me because the tradies compressor is on. But basically the easiest way to find a nut is to actually align the new headers with the old headers, because I couldn't really show you guys because the camera was too zoomed in. So basically this is how the headers will go. The front of the car will be here and the bolts will just be here, here and here. So how we found it was we just brought this underneath with us and then we go from there and we line it up. Alright guys, so Haydens engine bay, look at that. I never knew, but fuck, look how easy this oil filter change is. Right there. Fucking hell. Far out. Right there, huh? Fucking hell. Like my one, you gotta like fucking go on the side. It's too tight, gotta get under. Fuck. But this one, it's fucking right there. Fuck.
Cut it,
You cut the O2 sensor.
Tomorrow.
Boom guys, what is up guys? So a new day today. So last time we couldn't actually finish Haydens 8.6 headers because we ran into a few problems and we were on a tight schedule. So after doing some research, we now know what to do, and today we're gonna attempt to do Haydens headers again. Alright guys, so we're actually at the same step as last time, which is taking off the headers. So while Haydens doing that, I'll show you guys. This one's all done. It's just I'm not playing around with those. Oh yeah. Oh. So we finally got it out, or Hayden got it out, but yeet, time to put on the new headers. Where are we? What the fuck? Alright guys, so right now Hayden's just taking off the O2 sensors. But look at that fucking fat ass stock headers. Damn.
100 times way better. It's a trumpet as well.
Yeah.
Wait, what's the TV trumpet one?
So here it is, the stock headers and the aftermarket TOMEI headers. Look at that. Look how fat the fucking stock one is compared to the aftermarket one, and the aftermarket one is 100 times way lighter. Hey, so Hayden, what headers are these?
Oh, these are TOMEI unequal length.
Fuck.
Headers. Why is it unequal? It makes the boxer rumble like civvies and shit.
Yeah, it goes a bit over.
Alright guys, so basically we just took off the stock headers and now it's time to put on the new TOMEI headers. Fuck it, this is exciting as. And once we get it on, we can officially start the car and see how it sounds. So catch you guys then. I don't know top of mine. Alright guys, so everything is now bolted in. Look how small it is, so much room now. And now we can officially cold start the car. Nicely done. Ooh.
All done?
Ooh. Alright guys, so you ready? First start, first start.
I'm gonna fuck out of here.
Alright, first start. Oh, it's got that rumble.
Wow, it honks there, bro.
Tell us when.
Holy shit.
Fuck, it's actually loud as fuck.
Mate.
Alright, catch you.
See, camera.
Later, man. Have fun, man. Later. Boom, so what is up guys, new day today. So basically we finished installing Haydens headers and it's sounding sick and sounding 100 times way better. I know I didn't really get much clips of his car at the end as he was running late for work, so he had to go, but hopefully the shots that I got were good enough. So the headers was a success and it's sounding 100 times way better. But right now, what I'm actually going to be doing is lowering my car. As you saw in the last video, I installed the new MCA coils and the front is still high. So I'll probably drop the front today and then hopefully it looks way better. But first things first, we're going to go pick up Hack, go to shops to pick up some tools and buy some oil because it's on special. So see you guys after. Boom, alright guys, so just made it back to the ZPG HQ and we're about to lower the car. So we did run into a few problems. Like when lowering the car, I don't want to go too low as you know it's going to cause too much attention, but all I want to do is just close the front wheel gap right here, right there. As you can see, it's like pretty big, but the thing is if I close that wheel gap, the front bar is going to sit too low for my liking and then like it's going to cause too much attention and it's going to be harder to drive daily. Alright guys, so even the back I'm thinking about raising it, even though it's looking hella sick. It's looking hella nice and I'm loving it, but I might just raise it. And look at that, fuck, look how low my exhaust hangs. Fuck, can't really see it, but damn. Alright guys, so we quickly measured up his cardboard, roughly 10 centimeters, which is the legal height.
Right on point.
Yeah, right on point. Let's see. Oh, Hack's saying this is right on point. Oh, but I reckon it's just off.
Look at that, right on point, bro.
There, oh yeah, you're right, man. You're right. Yeah. So as Hack was saying, right on point. Yeah. So this is the legal limit, and we measured. And look, I can go pretty low. So that's probably what, like 2-3 centimeters. So the sides should drop 2 to 3 centimeters. But I'm not too sure about here. Oh no, we still got plenty, eh? Still got plenty. Also, I'll show you guys something. Ready? Look at this. OEM spoiler replica though. Damn, it is a replica, but I don't really care because it's only a lip spoiler. But also, what do you guys reckon? Do you reckon I should leave it black like this or should I spray it blue? Because like when I put it on, yeah, from here, black on black looks sick. But then when you come here, when you're looking at it from the front, you can't really see the black and yeah, the blue probably goes better from here. I'm not too sure, but I'm keen to run this. So for now, I'm gonna put it on black, and then in the future, do you guys reckon I should leave it black or spray it blue? But yeah, now call it the time. See you guys after that. Alright guys, so the car's back on the floor and it has been lowered. Look at this. Damn, 100 times way better. Hey, look at that. Fuck, it's looking tough. But now, time to quickly chuck on the OEM spoiler. Alright guys, so here is the OEM spoiler, well, replica. Basically, I'm just gonna use double-sided tape and stick it onto my actual boot here. I think I can bolt it in, but it's kind of dark. I don't want to pull out the drill, so I'm just going to use the double-sided tape. Or should I take the measurement? Or should we ring it?
What do you mean? We're winning it. It is me.
Are you ready? Too rough estimation, yeah? So boom, what is up guys? New day today. So this vlog's probably turned into a 3-day vlog, but before I end the vlog, I'll quickly show you guys how the car sits. So here it is guys, here's how the S2K sits after lowering it. What do you guys think? So for the back, I kept it the same, and for the front, I dropped it by 2 centimeters. It's looking way nicer than before, especially where the wheel gap is, look at that. So before it was like a 3 to 4 finger gap probably, but now it's like a tight 2 finger gap. So I'm really happy how the wheel gap closed and it's looking really sick. So let me know what you guys think about the new setup. Like look, in my opinion it's looking 100 times way better. After lowering the car, it's looking hella sick. Oh yeah guys, I also put on the OEM spoiler. It's looking sick as. Look at that. Damn. Look at that, damn, adds a little touch to the back of the car. Damn, what do you guys think? Also, like I was saying before, do you guys reckon, should I keep the spoiler black to match the boot, or should I paint it blue to match the car? Like in my opinion from here, blue probably looks better, but over here, black probably looks better. Because I got a feeling if I paint this blue and you stand from here, it might actually look weird with the boot being half black and then the spoiler being blue. But look at that, already 100 times way better by lowering it and putting the OEM spoiler on. Shit, damn. Look at this, 100 times way better, eh? So that's actually gonna do it for today's video. Dropping the car by 2 centimeters actually made a big difference, and the lip spoiler at the back gave the car a little bit more And also Haydens headers was a success. It's sounding sick and the car sounding 100 times way better. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Keep this safe in a good place.